Welcome student. So this is our next lecture from the lesson number 13, that is lecture 6. In previous lecture we have completed the topic chemical bond, and we have completed the ionic bonds. What is ionic bond? And in today's lecture we will see about the covalent bonds. So as we have learned that bonds or the chemical bonds are of two types, that is ionic or covalent bonds. So what is a chemical bond? So we will learn in this lecture. So chemical bond formed by sharing of the valence electron. Okay. What is a chemical bond? Chemical bond is formed by sharing of a valence electron of two atoms with each other is called as a covalent bonds. Let's see the definition here. The chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electrons of two atoms with each other is called as a covalent bond. And you know what is a valence electron and what is a valence shell, you know well. So student, of one covalent bond is formed by sharing of two valence electrons. Means sharing हो रहा है, that means there may be two atoms or more than two atoms get involved, or that valence electron के जो sharing होती है that between two valence electrons. Okay. Generally a covalent bond is formed when atom of a two elements having a similar properties combine. Okay, when will it covalent bond? When the atoms having the similar properties. Such atom cannot exchange electrons. Instead, these atom share electrons with each other. Means जब प्रॉपर्टी सेम रहती है तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करते हैं, अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सचेंज नहीं करते हैं. दे prefer to share their electron with each others or with the others atom which are having the similar properties. So the shared electron becomes a common property of both the atoms. Okay, and we know that the sharing, when they share this electron, now they becomes the common property of the atom. But in हमने देखा है कि केमिकल रिएक्शन जब होती है तो ऑल्सो देयर विल बी अ बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होता है जिसमें आयनिक बॉन्ड रहता है. तो वो आयनिक बॉन्ड जब फॉर्म होता है तो उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज़ गेट चेंज. दैट रिएक्टेंट की प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट रहती है और जो प्रोडक्ट हमको मिलता है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी डिफरेंट होती है. बट जब कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहा है, जब बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर हो रहे हैं, तो वो क्या होते हैं, वो प्रॉपर्टी जो है कॉमन हो जाती है न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स की. ओके, द इलेक्ट्रॉन and thereby the electron octet or duplet of both the atoms becomes the complete. And the sharing, why it is sharing or why it is happening, actually we know that the atoms which don't have their valence incomplete electron, or they don't have a duplet or octet, so they wants to complete or they wants to be stable, so that's why they share or they gain or take their electrons. Okay, so let's see the example of hydrogen molecule. We have here, that is a hydrogen molecules, and we know that hydrogen molecule having a one electrons. So we know that the hydrogen atom contain one electron, so its duplets it's short of one electron. Means if that hydrogen needs to get the stability or duplets, so it is a short of, it is having a short of a one electrons, and therefore the valency of oxygen of hydrogen is 1. So valency भी क्या हो जाएंगी उसकी 1 हो जाएंगी. This is a valence electron or the valence shell. So the two atom of a hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency, and therefore they share their electron with each others. And due to this, and due to the getting the duplet, they share their electron, two molecules of hydrogen atom, and the H2 molecule get formed here. So this is the formation of a covalent bond. One more thing, that covalent bond जो है, when they combines कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स को उसको डैश से क्या किया जाता है, और कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड बिटवीन टू एटम इज ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द डैश जॉइनिंग देयर सिम्बॉल्स. सी हियर डैश से भी दिखाया जाता है, लाइक एच एच और ऐसे भी शो करते हैं. So here it is the formation of a covalent bond in the H2 molecule. Okay, so as a result, the electron duplet, both hydrogen atom is complete and the chemical bond is formed between these two hydrogen molecules. So understood. Now similarly, see how H2 molecule form by the formation of a covalent bond. We will see the H2 molecule of a covalent bond is formed from hydrogen and oxygen. We know that in H2 molecule there is hydrogen atom and the oxygen atom. So the H2 molecule or the water molecule is also formed by the covalent bonding or the sharing of the electrons. So H2 molecule of a covalent bond is formed from hydrogen and oxygen atom. You know hydrogen is having the valency 1 or the configuration is 1, in which there is valence electron is 1 or valence shell is there. So there are 6 electron and oxygen having a 6 electrons, means so the electronic configuration is like 2 4. Let's see the 2 in first orbit, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry 8 है इसका, 2 and 6. Okay, that is a 6. So उसकी जो configuration है 2 6 है ऑक्सीजन की, and in the valence shell of oxygen there are 6 electron actually. Valence shell में कितने 6 electrons है, and then oxygen needs to get 2 more electron to get the octet. How much it needs? 2 electrons to get the octet, 6 or 7 or 8. So what it will do now? So it will share the electron with 2 hydrogen molecules. Let's see this. So in the H2 molecule, the oxygen atom completes octet by forming the 2 covalent bond between hydrogen and oxygen, between 2 hydrogen and oxygen, like this 2 covalent bond. और इसको इस तरह से भी शो करते हैं, 1 हाइड्रोजन और 1 हाइड्रोजन वैलेंस से भी शो किया जाता है. सो 1 ईच विद द 2 हाइड्रोजन आटम. while this happen, the duplet of the 2 हाइड्रोजन आटम ऑल्सो completed here. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, सी दैट रेड और ब्लू हाइड्रोजन भी क्या हो गए, डुप्लेट हो गए, एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन ऑल्सो गेट द इट ऑक्टेड ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज द covalent bond formation. The process is given here. So student, the lesson is completed here. I hope you have understood well. If you have any difficulty you can ask. So good luck. Allah Hafiz.